Now we disassemble this mini nail gun. First, unscrew to remove heat insulation sleeve and nail barrel. Then rotate and unscrew the handle, take off firing spring and protection cover. Remove the stop pin and separate the gun bore barrel and firing pin sleeve assembly. Next, take off the return spring and separate the firing assembly and the moving casing. Press down the firing button to separate the firing pin and firing pin sleeve. There are a total 8 pieces screws in 2 rows in the nail barrel. Take off the screws in the first row to lower the power level of nail gun for 27 mm integrated fire nails. Take off the screws in the second row to lower the power level of nail gun for 32 mm integrated fire nails. These are the spare parts of this mini powder actuated nail gun. Finally, we need to clean the spare parts with brushes and other tools. Remove any impurities and dust that adhere to the powder actuated nail gun in time.